get trouble.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin, currently trading above $28,000. Bitcoin has traded for as high as $28,700. Bitcoin is still pumping to higher prices. Bitcoin is up more than 27.6% in the last 1 month. In this video, we'll take a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. Bitcoin is still stuck below $30,000. The next level we need Bitcoin to blast above is that $30,000 region. But how high do we expect Bitcoin to pump in the coming days and in the coming weeks? We'll also be taking a look at the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. We'll take a look at Bitcoin dominance in the market, and we'll also take a look at Bitcoin's market cap. We currently sits around $555 billion. Can we get to that $600 billion region, or are we going to start dumping before we get there? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, or chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We're still in Bitcoin season. The altcoin season index tells us so. Bitcoin has been outperforming altcoins over the last 1 month. We're heavily in Bitcoin season right now. The last time we saw the market going into Bitcoin mode like this was in November of 2020. And what was Bitcoin doing in November of 2020? Bitcoin was gearing to pop into new all-time highs. Bitcoin was trading around $14,000. But right now, we're deep in the crypto bear market. Bitcoin is on the path towards recovery. We have seen Bitcoin dump towards the $15,500 level in this bear market. But Bitcoin has picked itself up from the ground and rallied up by more than 80% to the upside. A lot of people are still in disbelief. People are still waiting for Bitcoin to go to $12,000. Bitcoin might just be heading to the $30,000 level for the first time since June of 2022. But it's not just going to be an easy ride to the top. We're currently at a very crucial level for Bitcoin. We saw Bitcoin find support at this level in the bull market. Below this level, Bitcoin was very bearish. Above this level, Bitcoin was very, very bullish. And throughout the bull market, buying Bitcoin around $28,000 looked like a steal. But right now, also coming from the depths of the bear market, people are still in FOMO mode. People are still denying that Bitcoin is ready to pump to higher prices. So we can walk away out of this $28,000 region. Maybe Bitcoin cracked $30,000. Guys, the next level where I see Bitcoin fighting major problems might come around the $36,000 region. But when we even get to that $6,000 region, if we look at Bitcoin's moving average on the 3-day time frame, if we take a look at Bitcoin's 100 moving average, you take a look at Bitcoin currently trading above that 100 moving average on the 3-day time frame. Bitcoin had a little dip below it after it went above it, but that dip was very short-lived. Bulls came and bought that dip up. Right now, Bitcoin is currently at 28,500, and Bitcoin's 100 moving average on the 3-day time frame is currently at 20,800. So let's keep that in the back of our mind. Bitcoin can easily drop to this price at some point in time in the bear market. Then if we go to the 200 moving average on the 3-day time frame, you'll notice that the 200 moving average is currently at $32,987. If Bitcoin is going to hit that level, we might just see Bitcoin rally back to the 200 moving average on a 3-day time frame for the first time since April of 2022. When Bitcoin went below it in April of 2022, Bitcoin was trading around $40,000. But for Bitcoin to hit it right now, Bitcoin will have to get to that $32,000 level. That's why I'm telling you guys, for us to get to $35,000, we'll have a lot of hurdles on the way. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin's 300 moving average on the 3-day time frame, and that sits at $34,000. So we have different hurdles now. First, we have to clear $30,000. We have to clear $32,000. We have to also clear $34,000 if we're going to see Bitcoin trading at the $35,000 level at any point in time in the coming weeks. But these are levels that Bitcoin can quickly rally to. If you take a look at what Bitcoin did in the previous bear market, Immediately Bitcoin started rallying towards those averages, we saw Bitcoin shoot above it, and when the rally came to an end, Bitcoin came back to consolidate. So if Bitcoin is going to repeat what we saw in the previous bear market and shoot above these averages, we'll expect to see Bitcoin trading above $35,000 in the coming days and in the coming weeks. But right now, altcoins are starting to show some signs of life in the market. And even though the altcoin season index is showing us we're in Bitcoin month, let's be very careful, because in the next 30 days, we could easily see ourselves in an altcoin month, because altcoins are known to be volatile. Even though Bitcoin has been pumping and the rest of the altcoin market has been waiting, guys, after capital flows to Bitcoin, people see that the longer can get that 20%, 30% in Bitcoin, they're going to start chasing yield, and you see a lot of market participants buying altcoins that will then lead us to altcoin season. Bitcoin in the last 1 month has traded for as high as $29,159. It has also traded for as low as $19,626. Currently ranked number 1 on CoinMarketCap. Over 3.9 million people have Bitcoin on their watch list. Bitcoin has a market cap of $552 billion. Bitcoin is currently in a crypto bear market. But guys, we have bear markets and we have bull markets. Bear markets are meant for us to accumulate, getting ready for all those bull market seasons when we'll be pumping to the moon. If you want to buy some Bitcoin right now deep in the bear market, you can do that on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Qcoin, on Kraken, on Bitstamp, on Bitfinex, on BitTop, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index is telling us greed has returned to the cryptocurrency market. We saw crypto stock in extreme fear last year. We saw us spending majority of 2022 down in Goblin Town. But right now, we're heading towards greed, and hopefully in the coming days and the coming months, we will see extreme greed return to the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin's market cap can rally to as high as $682 billion in the coming days and coming weeks. But guys, remember, we're not just going to pump up in a straight line. There's going to be a lot of dumps along the way. There's going to be a lot of fake out. But if you're going to be holding Bitcoin for the long haul, buying Bitcoin right now looks like a very, very smart decision in the future. Bitcoin has always been known to pump after the bear market bottom is in. That doesn't mean we're not going to dump back to Goblin Town. If we see Bitcoin's market cap rallying to higher prices, pay close attention to that $670 billion level, because the rally might come to an end there. But for Bitcoin to get there, we're going to see Bitcoin rally up by around 23% to the upside. What will that mean for the price of Bitcoin if we get a 23% pump to the upside? Right now, the price of Bitcoin will go to as high as $34,000. We'll finally cross that $30,000 mark, but at what cost? Because guys, at some point in time, this bear market rally will come to an end, and Bitcoin dominance in the market might continue increasing, and that might see altcoins dumping to Goblin Town. That might also see Bitcoin dumping to Goblin Town, which in turn might mean Bitcoin dominance might be heading above 50%. Bitcoin dominance looks as if it will be crashing right now, which is going to be good for the altcoin market. We know in bear markets, when the bottom comes in, Bitcoin dominance starts increasing rapidly. We've seen Bitcoin dominance gone up by 22% in the last 203 days. We've been trying to break above this range where we have been stuck in since May of 2021. If we get that many alt season that we're looking for, if we see Bitcoin dominance dropping to as low as 43%, and we start pumping to higher prices, get ready to see Bitcoin dominance maybe even getting to as high as 56%. That can happen very, very quickly. But right now, in the coming days and the coming weeks, we might see Bitcoin dominance dumping, maybe just back to the 43% region. For us to pump up, we have to dump a little. That's the way the market works. We used to be buying some Bitcoin right now. I used to taking some profits. A lot of people were smart to buy Bitcoin when it was below $17,000. We saw a lot of people on the channel accumulating when we were down in Goblin Town. We on the channel believe the bottom came in June of 2022. So even when we saw Bitcoin going below $17,000, that was a good buying opportunity. There's a lot of videos to prove that was telling you guys to accumulate more Bitcoin. And those investors right now are up more than 57% on their investment. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think Bitcoin will rally towards the $30,000 region, maybe even getting to as high as $35,000 in the coming days and the coming weeks? Or do you think the rally is over and we might see Bitcoin dump back to Goblin Town? Remember, Bitcoin might still dump back to the $20,000 region. Bitcoin's 100 moving average on the 3-day time frame currently sits around $20,000, and we saw Bitcoin testing it back in March of 2023. Are we going to test it in April, or is it up only? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, invest for the long haul, Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.